I'm in my Google Cloud account, and Google Cloud consists of projects. So I've created my project and I'm in my first project, and this is the organization I'm under in. And let's go and open a Cloud shell. And you can sign up for a Google account using your existing Gmail ID or any email ID, and it comes with free credit to try it out. In order to deploy radlab module, we will git clone the radlab repo. I'm quickly going to grab the repo ID. My project is cloned into this environment. Let's check. So let's go into radlab launcher and run the script, which will spin up the infrastructure for us. It will ask you a couple of questions like where you want to locate, like where you want to deploy this module, which project you want to use it as admin. So this is the question where it's asking which should be your admin project, and then it is asking which module you want to deploy. Let's go with Alphafold. And then it will ask you whether you want to update your existing module or if you want to create a module. Let's go with creating a new module. And it will ask you where you want to store your data, whether you want to use your existing bucket or you want to create a new bucket. So let's go with use creating a new bucket. And I'm going to create ISMB radlab 022. And it's asking you what organization ID you want to choose. I showed you that you can create a project under an organization. So this is optional. I'm going to pick the organization ID. Again, it will ask you the folder. I can skip this option. I don't need to specify a folder. It will ask you for billing account. And I picked an option for a billing account. And that's it. It will spin up you can see that Terraform scripts are triggering off a module. So once the Terraform has been successfully initialized, it will create a radlab module for you with the name radlab. So let's go and check the module which I have already created. Let's go to this module, which is created by this. So what it creates is a Vertex AI workbench with a Jupyter Lab environment. And it also creates a container and CPUs and GPUs for you to use the resources. So click on Open Jupyter Lab and it will take you to this Jupyter Lab environment. Yep, it's loaded and you can go to Alphafold. Alphafold module comes with a exploratory notebook where you will bring your protein sequences, and this notebook is using models in the container registry. I have already run through this notebook and we are going to use this protein sequence. So we're using this protein sequence for prediction, and you have choice to either add multiple protein sequences and create a 3D model of it and use a multi-mer model, or you can just go with single sequence. So what this notebook is doing, it takes an input as a protein sequence, it search against a genetic database, and then it will run an AlphaFold on it. And as an output, after running an AlphaFold, you get this 3D protein structure, which you can analyze in 3D, and also gives you the error predicted and predicted aligned error, and this zip file, which has all the predicted data, which can be further analyzed for your specific use case.